drink himself to death in New England. And I'd like to take his hand and say, Jack, man, it's okay. Now he's gone, and we're left to move along on without him. The dogs howl like beat poets at an arcade, soaking moonlit falls on broken past this inundated orb that we call home. And it's night and I'm alone and I'm alive. Black and white headlights pierce the coals, blazing arrows, burning me to the marrow. But fire brings peace as well as it brings fear. You're the only thing I hear, and I want that. The dogs howl like beat poets at an arcade, soaking moonlit falls unbroken past this inundated orb that we call home. And it's night and I'm alone and I'm alive. The dogs howl like beat poets at an arcade, soaking moonlit, smashed and broken in the sea. When we wake up each cold morning and the